We are heading over to the Peninsula Stadium for a Salford City clash versus Wolves under-21s in the Vertu Trophy. It is a 7 p.m. kick-off on a Tuesday night. 1 point takes the Red Boys through in the Vertu Trophy. Let's hope they can get it over the line. Not expecting a big turnout at the Peninsula Stadium tonight, as not many people are really bothered about the Vertu Trophy, but some Salford fans are, so let's get down to that ground and support our lads. Salford coming off the back of two really good results in this competition, with a 2-0 against Wigan and it was a 3-1 against Stockport. Yeah, both League One sides have come over to the Peninsula. We went to Wigan, we turned them over there. Stockport came to us, we turned them over. So yeah, let's hope we can get it over the line and be unbeaten in the group stage. With those two results, it leaves Wigan Athletic on a shocking 0 points in the group stage. We've got Wolves under-21s and Stockport both on 3 points, and Salford sat at the top of the table with a mighty 6 points. Could that turn into 9? Could that turn into 7? Or could it stay at 6? Let's hope the 9. But even a 7 will do. Maybe a 6. Last season we did also have to play against Wolves under-21s in the Vertu Trophy, as they were in our group stage. The game actually finished 3-2 to us, so let's hope it's not the best result, but we did get the 3 points. But let's hope we can beat them by a bigger margin today, as our team has heavily improved since that time. There is 1 hour until kick-off and we've stopped in Heavy Bonds for a quick drink. Here is where we'll be meeting JSM 44, who is coming to the game with us today. Salford have gone pretty strong, but with a few youths been put into the squad. We've got Mark Howard in the net alongside Turton and Grant, 3 really solid players. We've got Stockton up front. He's not the best, but he will do. Cooper, Fabio Barina, he is a brilliant player, obviously an ex-Premier League player. Osterfield, but is obviously Nicky Butt's son, but he is still a decent player. We've got Padavani, Lara and Longello. Longello is just really good out wide and makes that playmaker. On the bench we have young Aina, Garbutt, which is quite surprised with him being our captain, Curran Nicholas, Bairstow, Henderson and Carroll. So on the bench I think they're going to be trying to bring the youth on, but as I just said, the bench is got most of youth, but yeah, obviously with Garbutt they should be bringing them on unless it's a challenging game. We've literally just got into the ground and into our seat, just sat down, and Wolves have just scored 9 minutes in, but we're a little bit late. Salford needs to switch on and quick.
86, so not that much of a shock.
Fabio Barina stepping up to take this.
I know, like, physically.
Is it? No, it's not Barina.
Alright.
Barina stepped off it, I'm not sure why. Oh. Corner to Salford. See? Can we get the rest of it? No. Goal kick. Padavini took a shot past the box, took a deflection, out for a Salford corner. Not very good at corners though. In swinger. Someone get their head on it. Head the way. Oh, he's given their free kick. Never a foul. Longello took a drive down the side. Got a foul directly in the corner, just outside the box. Can we do something with it? Come on, it's a bit like a corner. We've got an out swinger on it. Why don't we just put an in swinger on it? Have a go.
Full time.
Right. Cross it in. Oh, edge of the box. We've gone to chip it on the edge of the box for the heart of volley. Still got it. Brought it back, Longello. Ball. No one got it. Cole Stockton passed it out wide. I'm not sure it's hit that, but just wide. One goal, 1-0 to Salford. Half time, we've just come back out for the second half, 1-1. Salford have been playing pretty well. That goal marked out a bit of a mistake, but let's hope we can get it over the line. Obviously, if it is a draw, then we do go over to penalties to get 2 points if you win on penalties, but both teams will still get 1 point. All we need is a point to go through. Stockport are beating Wigan, so that's good for us. So close to a goal. Just wide. Stockton goal, and it's 2-1. We're in again here. Longello out wide. Tries to cross it in. Here come Wolves. Through. And Garbutt got there. And if you go and check out TikTok, you'll know why. Thanks, Cole Stockton. Now I've got to leave. That's the end of the video. We'll see you in the next.